us during the World Cup, and now it's our turn to return the favour, do us proud. No pressure, but we want the cup back here again, and all the best from the Booth family.
Exactly, I mean, they won it twice, so no pressure, third time, easy peasy.
My message to the Springboks is, look, we are going out to New Zealand as champions, and you know what, we've always been champions. Let's just uphold that, win or lose. We've definitely got a place, and we've put our name out there on the world stage. I know that we definitely are going to win. There's a nation behind all of you guys out there, so let's continue to be proud South Africans and winners as we always are.